Hey guys, Stan here.
And this is Ronnie here.
Today, this person needs a home. And this is the one that we've been talking about for a little while. We didn't get 50 likes, but we really wanted to do this, or 100 likes. So we really wanted to do this. So we decided to do it anyway.
So let's just get this shuffle. We don't need this right now. Because what we'll need is the black bit. Then when you stack the white bit on top, it should look like that. Then need another black bit. That's got sides all over it. It doesn't have it on these sides. So yeah. You only get these things from here. So you need one of these.
So basically a roof.
So then you only want this. So then you need one. It doesn't matter what order it is, if it's white, orange, or is it orange, white. Doesn't matter.
So what you need to do is make
now
2 of them.
this should be higher, I think.
As we already have the second one made.
Yeah. So yeah.
So here's the second one.
So just slot that in. Get another black bit, slot that in there.
What makes it easy, you can probably do that first.
I almost forgot about how to do this.
Yeah, you might want to put them on last.
There's pink and white. I think I forgot to put these in.
Guys, I'm letting you know, like we said in the last video, there's normally mystery bits. That's sometimes because we forget how to build them. Yep, so if you saw our Bobcat video, do you want to show them?
Yeah.
The Bobcat.
Yeah, it is.
I couldn't figure out why, so now there's a hole in there. And the bit's right there, so yeah.
Let's put that over. So it should look like this right now. Yeah, I think we need this bit. Put it like that. And you get
Yeah, kids, remember this. It will try and do a video of how to build it.
So yep, should then when you get like one of these, and you put these each sides. So it should look like this, slopes and grab it.
Yep.
And you just put the right sides there. And just to this. Then when you put like an orange bit on this.
That's kind of, it's basically yellow.
And when you get this pull bit, you can get this from the ice set.
Yeah, I love our builds because that there is from the ice set. So all of those bits right there.
Connect these. So
yep, that's basically the ice set boat.
Yeah, this is part of the boat. So you just put that over there.
Oh, and guys, if you also want to see a tennis video or RC video, comment below, and whatever gets the most comments on, we'll do it. And I will check every time, like I said with the prank video. And also comment below with the prank video if you want to.
So it just doesn't matter what pattern they're in, doesn't matter what colour these poles you have, doesn't matter what height it is, doesn't matter. So it should look like that. Then there you go. So one, this one, doesn't matter what colour it is. I'll just start getting the stuff right that I had before. I started
Yeah,
just getting
okay.
the right colours. Should look like that now.
Oops, sorry guys. So my iPad just fell.
Then I just need to get this and put it 2 blocks in this one. Should look like that. And then you need to get this giant antenna. And you get this giant thing. I don't know even.
It's basically a horn with stuff.
It should look like this right now. And so you should put that. Right
So
there.
then we'll put the
Then
bits up
we'll
there.
need this shell.
Well, there is some more bits that go on here
Yeah, but
that we haven't done yet.
So what you'll need now is this. You'll need any of any sizes of your choice.
Yeah, but they will have to fit through these holes
Yeah.
like that. And put it anywhere you want. So this
There.
bit, I'll have to help with.
So if I hook that, then you could slide now.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this, slide it. Right. And what
If you need to just do this, push it like that.
it's a nice platform.
Then
So first you need one of these. And you put some of these swirly bits, whatever they're called, in a circle. This in the middle. Then this right here. So these swirly bits again, and just seal outside. That should look like that. Then you get another one of these, put it on top. Then another one that goes the other way. So yeah, I believe it's like that. So then you need to get these. I just take that off now. And you need to put this one the other way around. So this is upside down. Put these swirly bits. And if you don't know what swirly bits are, they're like
corner bits
Yeah.
with a curve on it.
They're really good for doing roads in Lego City.
Yeah, if you want like solid stuff.
Oh wow. And put that like that. Then if you put that in there, it should look like that. Get this. Put it together. Then you should have like that.
It's basically from the Lego Blue Train set. The electrical bits, we just took the green sides off.
Yeah.
So we'll teleport when we
sorry.
fix it.
I-
Whoops, he made a mistake. You put the flat bits again, just teleport when he's actually doing the next bit. Whoop!
Okay. If you need to put that in the middle of the base.
No.
I want to show you what this video. So you just
I got it from, you twist it one way.
twist it,
Yes,
then
Well, to be better, we'll put the bit on. So you want one of those bits.
So if I just spin it around like that, and a wrong way.
Yeah.
See, it just spins around.
It's basically you put it straight. It's like a rescue helicopter. I mean,
This is really good
Yeah.
for Ferris wheels. You're doing a Ferris wheel.
Yeah, but it's a bit fast and really annoying to
So
use.
you only get this.
Oh, and sorry about all the cords. It's for our video that goes up tomorrow.
Yeah. So
And today is Friday, so on Saturday, we're going to be doing it, and it's going to be hopefully finished uploading. And to give you a clue, it includes that. So yeah. So we want to do something like this.
And then look like this.
Then you just connect it to the sides. It's best you have it like there.
Because if you have it like in here, it won't really work.
Yeah.
But you'll be like.
But it's best you have it in the middle.
You'll need to take that bit off before you spin it around.
So now we're up to the last bit, I think it is. That we need the bit.
Before you do that bit, you need this, but some extra detail. I'll just put here. It says please stop rolling off.
Then it's up to these bits.
So first you'll need to put a yellow bit on top, so it should
Of 2x2 yellow brick. We're about 2x6, is it? 2x8. Yeah, 2x4. 2x4.
Okay.
Then you want to put like these bits up.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Gotta be, got it.
So guys, it's for major difficulty, so I'm trying to get your patience.
Yeah.
Okay, now it should be like that. If I'm right. Am I? Please tell me. I'm desperate to know.
What the heck have I done? Actually, I think I know that. What?
I mean, we do normally have random bits, so yeah, there might be some random bits here.
Right, does this fit in here?
Yeah, there does. It's pretty sure.
Doesn't.
Oh, then it must be random bits.
No, it's not.
Hee hee.
So this is how it goes.
Yeah, see what I mean, guys? It's hard to remember.
Should do it like that.
Then you put it up there.
Do.
And that's done. And fully done.
So, yeah.
So, this. So now you can just park like vehicles under.
Then you
And
have this sliding thing here.
And like, if someone's like trying to climb up like this, you can go and flip them over. So that's it for me.
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that like button,
And please
smack
do
that subscribe button,
And
and
please-
smack that comment button.
And please do be sure to subscribe.
And if we get 50 likes,
We'll show
and leave a comment what we get most of RC prank, we'll do next. So goodbye.